Hi.
How much beer you buy? How much beer you sell? There's cost of it. Are you running special? Cost of the food. What you purchase. What you need to change. How do you know what you sell every month? You're not doing your job. What are you doing?
I know I'm lacking in my
Is that funny?